Once you overcome the 1-inch tall barrier of subtitles, you will be introduced to so many more amazing films, said Parasite director Bong Joon-ho as he claimed the prize for foreign language film. In one perfectly barbed sentence, Bong called out the American movie-going public's perceived aversion to subtitles. Bong effectively stated in English, I think we just use one language, the cinema. So welcome to my channel Beyond Subtitles, and we will look at best of movies and TV series around the world. Sometimes we get in the mood to let out a good cry, and the best way to conquer this feat is by watching some tear-jerking films. There are an assorted collection of films around the world that can get you feelings all types of ways, but we are here to present to you a list of 10 Korean movies that will guarantee a drop of tear or two. If you are up for an emotional roller coaster, grab a box of tissues, possibly someone you could lean on, and turn on any of these Korean movies to let your emotions soar. A moment to remember. Here is a romantic and melodramatic movie about a young woman named Kim Soo-ji and a young man named Choi Chul-soo. They initially meet in a convenience store where they fall madly in love and eventually get married. But all the happy moments start to recede when Soo-ji is diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. The rest of the movie focuses on the reality of loving someone who is struggling with Alzheimer and the continuous battles they must fight to keep their love eternal.
내 머릿속에 지우개가 있다.
Salud d'Amour. This movie about an old Korean man portrayed by the veteran actor Park Geun-hyung is truly the stuff of tears. Don't get misguided by the cheerful beginning. It shows the sad reality of fading health in old age and how it affects the whole families. Prepare tissues, like a lot, maybe a boat, maybe also life waste. This film tells about no matter how great the problem is, how painful it is to be forgotten, but true love is always there to remind it. For those of you who like drama comedy genre, I recommend this film to watch.
이제부터 하면 됐지.
Miracle in Cell number 7. This movie may be categorized as a comedy drama, but trust me, when I say this, you will find yourself weeping like a baby by the end of it. The story takes place in a prison and focuses around a father named Yong-gu who is not only mentally handicapped but also falsely accused into jail and placed on a death row for a crime he did not commit. During his time in prison, he saves the life of one of the 5 inmates in his cell, Yang-ho. Yang-ho then promises to help Yong-gu with whatever it is he wanted. All Yong-gu desires to see his daughter. The story then follows the 5 inmates trying to spark a miracle to help Yong-gu reunite with his daughter. Always.
아저씨가 보이는 것 같아요.
Here is a love story about a retired boxer named Cheol Min who picks up a new part-time job as a parking lot attendant. One night while he is working his shift, a blind young woman, Jung Hwa, approaches him at his workplace. She mistakes him for the past parking lot attendant, and that's how the relationship between the two starts to form. If you are a fan of romantic movies and you love a good tearjerker movie, this is the movie for you. The Most Beautiful Goodbye. This is a story about a middle-aged woman named In-hee who lives with her husband and her 2 children. One day she hears the news of her diagnosis of terminal cancer. Everyone in the family had treated her indifferently throughout her lifetime, but after the news of her cancer, the family realizes their wrongdoings and falls into a state of shock. Here is a story that follows the family's realization of how important In-hee is to them and preparing to say their most beautiful goodbyes.
더 많이 함께할 걸 그랬습니다.
Han Gwang-ju.
두려움도 슬픔도 두려움도 잠시 잊어.
This is a movie for those who have strong stomachs as there is a heavy mention of rape. Han Guangju is a victim of a gang rape incident and is forced to move out and find another school by the perpetrator's parents. With the trauma and the pain withheld inside her, Guangju is left to survive in a new environment and move on from what had happened. But soon enough, her past catches up to her as her former classmates and parents from her old neighborhood comes to reveal her devastating past to the people in her new life.
공주는 꿈이 뭐야?
More than blue.
모릅니다. 사랑은 가슴이 아닌 눈으로 보인다는 것.
Here is a film that is both romantic and melodramatic. This movie is about a man named Kay and a young woman named Cream. They are childhood friends who grew up as orphans. As adults, they end up living together and learn a lot about one another. Kay is later diagnosed with terminal cancer but decides to keep it a secret. Watch this movie to see how a potential romance may unfold between the two and how Kay continues to strive knowing that he only has a few months left to live.
그래서 사랑이 보이지 않을 땐 눈물이 흐른다는.
Or to my father.
내 어릴 적 꿈이 뭐였는 줄 아나?
This is a film that follows a lifelong story of a man named Deong-soo who has gone through a lot in his life. He does everything he can to protect his family despite the harsh conditions he had to escape from the modern history's most significant events. If you are looking to watch a touching film about a father who will do whatever it takes to survive and keep his family safe, this movie is for you. The classic. If you are a fan of romance drama flicks, don't pass this one up. Also make sure to bring a box of tissues if you have a soft heart. Tears will certainly flow before and after this movie ends. However, don't be hasty to shun this movie if you are put off by a sadness or tragic twists, for there is a moments of happy tears as well. The actors are superb in their roles and really manage to capture the meaning of the portrayed emotion. Combined with a nice and warming ending, this one gets 2 thumbs up from me. So grab your honey and watch it together. You will be cuddling each other before the night is over. A Werewolf Boy.
저거 뭐야?
This is a beautiful yet sad movie. Song Joong-ki as a werewolf boy gave a brilliant acting here, although he almost stayed silent throughout the movie. His gestures and stares are so intense and full of details, amazing. You got to watch the film. I am sure by watching this you will grow fond to his character. And please don't compare this to Twilight. I prefer this movie a lot rather than Twilight. A Werewolf Boy is just so funny and heartwarming on the first half of the movie. But when it hits the second half, well, you may be as well as crying and dying inside. It's such a tearjerker movie. Great movie after all.